Dxuscreen, the portable dual screen. Get ready for the tech revolution, folks. Introducing the two-screen laptop, because one screen is so last season. Picture this: you, effortlessly juggling work, leisure, and maybe a cat video or two. Ever dreamt of a laptop that understands your multitasking needs? Well, dreams do come true. Our dual screen wonder lets you conquer spreadsheets while binge watching your favorite series. Analyzing stock curves? No problem. Our laptop is so smart, it practically reads your mind. With touch capabilities and multiple screens, it's your personal tech genie. Rub the screens and let the magic happen. And coders, rejoice. Code from the beach, the cafe, or even Mars if you fancy. Connect a Bluetooth keyboard or unveil our hidden keyboard for a productivity boost that'll make Elon Musk jealous. Say goodbye to the ordinary and hello to the extraordinary with our two-screen laptop. Because who needs one screen when you can have two and rule the digital universe? X-Fly drone designed to soar like a bird. Get ready to meet the drone. That's not just a gadget, it's practically a flying superhero. The X-Fly. This ain't your run-of-the-mill drone, it's an upgradable marvel, armed with tech so advanced, it's practically from the future. It doesn't just fly, it dances through the air like a pro, replicating the moves of birds and insects. And when it comes to resilience, X-Fly laughs in the face of crashes. It's got elastic legs and a neck that moonlights as a bumper. Crashes are like high fives for this drone. Flexible, reinforced with carbon fiber, this bad boy can handle indoor acrobatics and outdoor escapades like a pro. So if you want a drone that's not just about soaring, but also about bouncing back from epic nocetivities, X-Fly is your go-to flying companion. NocFree Lite split wireless mechanical keyboard. Say hello to NocFree, the keyboard that breaks free from tradition, unlike those handcuff-like keyboards that make us feel like typing prisoners. Imagine a keyboard that's your ergonomic genie, granting wishes for comfort and flexibility. NocFree, the yoga master of keyboards, adapts to your unique body type and habits. It's not just a keyboard, it's a liberator of comfy typing positions. Cut the cords. In wireless mode, it's like the Houdini of keyboards, making your desk setup as clean as a cat's conscience after knocking your favorite mug off the table. Picture your desk as a magical realm. Meter 2 plus wireless meat thermometer. Imagine a world where your steak cooks perfectly every time, and you're the master chef without lifting a finger. Enter the Meter 2 Plus, not just a meat thermometer, but your cooking sidekick, your culinary GPS. It's like the meat is sending you postcards from the grill. With wireless connectivity, the Meter 2 Plus talks to your smartphone, giving you the power to cook from a distance. Now, you can be the grill king and the couch king simultaneously. Forget the guesswork. Dual sensors make the Meter 2 Plus the Einstein of meat thermometers. It's not just measuring the steak, it's measuring the vibes of your entire cooking atmosphere. Need a cooking coach? The companion app guides you through the culinary jungle with step-by-step instructions. Even if you burn water, with Meter 2 Plus, you'll cook like Gordon Ramsay. Say goodbye to burnt sacrifices, and hello to meat miracles. Picture this: you, cozy in your reading nook, diving into the magical world of words. But here comes the villain: dim lighting. Fear not, bookworms, for introducing the Bowio 2.0, the superhero of reading lights. Not your average light, but a luminary genius. Bowio has undergone a stunning makeover. As book enthusiasts, we've fine-tuned it for your reading pleasure. This is not just a light, it's your reading wingman. Redesigned with a dash of style, Bowio is here to revolutionize your reading game. No more battling uneven lighting. Bowio spreads the glow evenly across every page. It's like having a personal lighting assistant for your literary adventures. Say goodbye to contrast chaos and glare gremlins. Bowio crafts a reading utopia with touch-controlled brightness. It's not just light, it's the perfect spotlight for your reading masterpiece. Say goodbye to contrast chaos and glare gremlins. Bowio crafts a reading utopia with touch-controlled brightness. It's not just light, it's the perfect spotlight for your reading masterpiece. Let Bowio 2.0 be your reading sidekick, making every chapter a blockbuster. Grab yours now and let the reading magic begin. Cheerdots 2. Meet Cheerdots 2, not your average mouse. It's the ultimate fusion of classic and futuristic tech, blending an Air mouse, touchpad, laser pointer, and even a ChatGPT-powered recording pen, all in one sleek device. Whether you're hitting the books, nailing a presentation, or jotting down notes, Cheerdots 2 has your back. Unleash its laser prowess by simply removing the cover, turning any space into your personal stage. Recording your meetings or speeches, Cheerdots 2 makes it a breeze. A single tap, and it's on. It captures every word, ensuring you never miss a beat. Elevate your tech game with Cheerdots 2, where the future meets functionality. VIVOSUN VGrow Smart Grow Box. Say hello to VGrow, the gardening buddy you never knew you needed. Whether you're nurturing herbs, veggies, or, let's say, exotic flowers, no more green thumb guessing. This smart grow box is your lazy gardener's dream. Set it up, plug it in, and watch the magic happen. VGrow's got an airflow system that's so advanced, your plants will think they're at a botanical spa. It's the VIP treatment for your greens. But wait, there's more. With the app, yes, there's an app for your plants. You can play Mother Nature from anywhere. ELEGOO OrangeStorm 3D printer. Introducing the 3D printer that's so massive, it's practically intergalactic. Picture this, a printer so big it makes your excitement levels skyrocket just by looking at it. Why settle for small when you can go big and robust? This printer's got it all. A heated bed, speedy printing, and multi-nozzle action that's more thrilling than a blockbuster movie. And for a seamless user experience, we've thrown in a portable 7-inch HD capacitive screen. It's so nifty, you can detach it and have a handheld 3D printing adventure. And get this, it supports model preview in ELEGOO Cura and speaks 8 languages, because in the world of 3D printing, size does matter. ARROWMAX M1 PRO Smart Motion Electric Screwdriver. Picture this, you're on a DIY mission, armed with your trusty toolbox. But here comes the villain, a stubborn screw that refuses to budge. Enter the ARROWMAX M1 PRO, not just a tool, but your electric superhero. With the torque of a superhero, the M1 Pro is here to rescue your DIY dreams. Say goodbye to wimpy pens and bulky tools. This electric dynamo is the Goldilocks of screwdrivers. But wait, there's more. The OLED screen gives you real-time updates. It's like your screwdriver is talking to you. It's not just a tool, it's your witty sidekick in the DIY universe. Say hello to a new era of DIY with the ARROWMAX M1 Pro, where every screw is a conquerable villain, and your electric superhero is always ready for action. Ever walk into a lamppost because you were checking your stats? Yeah, we've been there, but fear not, our 1-second refresh rate keeps you in the zone without turning you into a human bumper car. Tap to display, tap to hide. It's like magic without the wand. Now, say goodbye to the chaos of maps and hello to Minimis Glass, our standalone HUD navigation system. It's like having a GPS without the nagging voice telling you to turn left. And guess what? No need to bring your entire house. Just slap on our glasses and you're good to go. Feeling blind? We've got prescription inserts to save the day. Worried about fog? Our glasses laugh in the face of humidity, and they won't bail on you even if you're sweating like a snowman in the Sahara. So join the cool club, the Minimis Glass. Walk, run, cycle, and never miss a beat or a lamppost again. The BookBond Pen. Hey there, book lovers and pen enthusiasts. Have you ever wished your pen could pull double duty as a bookmark? Well, wish granted. Introducing the titanium alloy bookmark pen. Not just a pen, but a superhero in the world of bookmarks. Picture this. You're deep into a thrilling chapter, and suddenly you need to jot down a brilliant idea or sketch a doodle. Boom. The titanium alloy bookmark pen is your trusty sidekick, thin enough to slide between the pages, and with a magnetic, eternal pen that never dries up or plays hide and seek with ink. But wait, there's more. This superhero comes with a detachable titanium clip, because Why should your pen just hang out in your pocket when it can rock your socks? Literally, it's not just a pen, it's a ruler, a clip, a bookmark. It's the Swiss Army knife of writing tools. Unleash your creativity effortlessly with the bookmark pen, where every page turn is a stroke of genius. Why do I need a separate dive computer, compass, and camera for scuba diving? It's like underwater baggage, right? Well, enter DIVEROID, the superhero of the sea. We asked ourselves, why not merge the genius of a smartphone with the wizardry of a dive computer? Imagine having your entire dive kit in the palm of your hand, a dive computer, compass, and logbook, all in one sleek device. Say goodbye to the clunkiness and hefty price tags. DIVEROID fits almost every smartphone, has universal buttons for easy use, and brings color to your underwater world. It's not just a dive computer, it's your underwater sidekick, making you the superhero of the ocean. Thanks a million for hanging out with us. If you had a blast, and we know you did, don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. Let's turn that button gray and make this friendship official. Stay tuned for more awesomeness, and until next time, happy subscribing.